Did you know that 7 degrees Celsius could mean the difference between safe driving and sliding off the road? Let's break down the 7 degrees Celsius tire rule and why it matters for your safety. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. Today I'll explain a simple but critical rule, the 7 degrees Celsius rule for tire changeovers. Whether you're in Canada, the US, or Europe, this applies to you. The 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit rule is a guideline for switching between summer and winter tires. When the average daily temperature consistently drops below 7 degrees Celsius, you should switch to winter tires. When it rises above 7 degrees Celsius in spring, it's time to go back to all-season or summer tires. Tire rubber is temperature sensitive. Summer tires harden below 7 degrees Celsius and lose grip even on dry roads. Winter tires, on the other hand, stay soft and flexible in the cold, giving you better traction. But above 7 degrees Celsius, winter tires wear out faster and can even reduce braking efficiency. Common mistakes to avoid: waiting until snow falls, too late; driving winter tires in warm weather, fast wear, more fuel use; mixing tire types, never safe. As a licensed tech, I always recommend check long-term forecasts. Aim for early November or late March for tire swaps in places like Toronto. Don't wait for snowfall, go by temperature. So remember, 7 degrees Celsius isn't just a number, it's a safety line. Have you changed your tires yet this season? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Daily Auto Tips, and let me know in the comments.